This is the New Zealand yen on the 60 and we have a flag pattern. Now it's very early here, it's only 20 past 5 in the morning, and I was looking at this last night but it wasn't completed. I didn't have the confirmation last night. I've just woken up and we have had more than the confirmation, we've actually had the breakout. So this means that this is now a high probability trade, but I only have I have a slightly inverse reward to risk, but it is a very high probability, so I'm very happy to take it under these circumstances. Let's go and take a look at the dailies. Here on the dailies, what we did was we had a move lower, pull back, move lower. We did violate the lows here, but then we've now violated to the upside as well. So this is just consolidation, and with consolidation we tend to see patterns, and we have a breakout pattern that's here. On the 240 there isn't a great deal, to be honest. This isn't going to be valid for me, so this is nothing here on the 240. Let's take a look at the 60. Okay, so on the 60 we were trending to the downside. Okay, new low, outside return, new low, outside return, new low, and then we violated to the upside just here. And then what we've done is, we can actually see this better on the 15. Let's go to the 15. This is where the pattern is, on the 15. So with these patterns we're looking for a swing in the market, and here it is. We're looking for a directional move, and if you've done the educational materials you'll know that we draw this out based on the closes of the candles. We duplicate it, we move it up. You know, it may have been the 60 that it was valid on. 1 second. Okay, let's draw this out again. So we had the swing in the market, the directional pole, which shows the amount of selling pressure in the market. And it is important that we get this correct on the closes of the candles, because when we duplicate it and move it up, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, and what we have done is we throw a fib on from our swing high to swing low. We've now come into an almost 618, and we have actually just come into this level of resistance just here. And typically what we see is these flags turn around within the wicks, and so we just tapped that area. It did also come into this level of resistance here as well, and if you just look, there is room to the downside here. So my swing low to swing high, we're looking for that 127, and if I bring back on the orders, then my stop, because we've had the breakout here of the channel, as you can see we have already broken out, so this is an indication that we're going to go lower. My stop has just gone 4 pips above the high here, so I'm not expecting price to come back up for a retest. So it does mean that we've got 17 pips of risk for a reward here of 17. And we're back for the update, and we've just had some news out and we've managed to spike past my entry, and we've just banked there 17 pips on that lovely flag pattern.